This is my first platinum watch with WatchGang. I was black tier member for a few months and decided to treat myself this past month, and dang, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Let go. Woo.
Oh, sweet. It's just what we were wanting. Black bezel, white dial. Heck yes.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Black leather, thick black leather band. Looks like a brushed stainless steel case. Japanese movement, Charles Hutton, all stainless steel. That's very nice.
Charles Hutton. Oh wow. I like that. That is awesome. I love it. That is gorgeous.
That is gorgeous. Wow.
Really like. This might be taking over as my all-time favorite watch I've gotten from WatchGang. The CCCP. This is absolutely beautiful. I think this is very nice.
Cool. Let's see what we got here. Sweet. I like it. Ooh, that is nice. You like that one? What do you like about it?
I like how it's blue and red on the sides.
On the bezel, right? It's like a Pepsi style.
Yeah.